So, hello everyone, I am Arjun Maligin and I am discussing 5 problems today. So, first problem is the problem number 43. So, the question is a statement the truth of which follows with little or no proof from a theorem. So, letter A is axiom, letter B is corollary, letter C is postulate, and letter D is hypothesis. So, here the answer here is letter B, because a corollary is a statement that directly follows from a proven theorem requiring little to no further proof. So the answer is here is corollary. So next, in problem number 44, the question is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the pressure exerted on the liquid. So letter A is pour point, letter B is boiling point, and letter C is cloud point, and lastly the letter D is flash point. The answer here is letter B, boiling point, because boiling point is the temperature where a liquid's vapor pressure equals the surroundings atmospheric pressure, causing it to boil. So next problem is number 45. The question is, a weight of an object in air is equal to the weight of the displaced liquid on which the object is placed. So letter A is Pascal's law, letter B is buoyancy, letter C is Torricelli's theorem, and letter D is equilibrium. The answer here is buoyancy, because Archimedes' principle of buoyancy explains that the upward buoyant force of an object in a liquid is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. So the answer here is buoyancy. So next problem is number 46. The problem is that Terence's office is 12 kilometers from his house. If one day he drove his car to his office at a constant speed rate of 30 kilometers per hour and come back home driving at 20 kilometers per hour, what is the average speed for the entire trip? Letter A is 24 kilometers per hour, letter B is 25 kilometers per hour, letter C is 27 kilometers per hour, and letter D is 28 kilometers per hour. So here, first, let's solve the time he traveled to office. So, from office, he drove 12 kilometers at a constant speed of 30 kilometers per hour. So we'll just divide it to 30 kilometers per hour. So the answer will be 0.4 hours. Next, we will solve for the time back to home. So he drove for 20 kilometers per hour. 20 kilometers. Then at constant speed of 30 kilometers per hour, at 20 kilometers, baliw eh. So he drove for 12 kilometers divided by 20 kilometers per hour. So the answer will be 0.6 hours. Then next, we will get the total time. So 0.4 plus 0.6 will be equal to 1 hour. Then next, we will calculate the average speed. So first is the total distance. So the total distance will be 24 kilometers since he drove 12 kilometers back and forth. So we will just multiply it by 2. So 24 kilometers. And lastly, we will now get the average speed. So 24 kilometers over 1 hour, which is this, we will now get 24 kilometer per hour. So the answer here is A, 24 kilometer per hour. And lastly, the fifth problem, number 47. A solid having a constant cross-section in plane perpendicular to its axis. So letter A is conic, letter B is ellipsoid, letter C is prism, and letter D is ellipse. So the answer here is letter C, prism, because a prism is a three-dimensional solid with a consistent cross-sections along its length perpendicular to its axis. And that will be all. Thank you.